Hi kids. Welcome. Welcome to our channel. Let's have fun learning ABC of animal-driven vehicles today. A is for animal cart. B is for bullock cart. C is for camel cart. D is for donkey cart. E is for elephant ride. F is for farm wagon. G is for goat sleigh. H is for horse cart. I is for ice cart pulled by dogs. J is for jungle ride elephant. K is for kangaroo cart, fun pretend. L is for llama sled. M is for mule wagon. N is for night cart with ox. O is for ox cart. P is for pony carriage. Q is for quirky reindeer sleigh. R is for reindeer cart. S is for sledge. T is for trolley horse. U is for umbrella cart. V is for village bullock. W is for wooden cart. X is for X-cart pulled by horse. Y is for yak cart. Z is for zebra ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ABC fun.